welcome back to this week's episode. This week we are heading to Monkey Mia and we are staying at the Mia Dolphin Resort. We're also going to check out Denham and the surrounding areas, so we'll take you with us. Shortly after Shell Beach, we arrived at the resort, and this place is stunning. It looks right out onto the pristine shores of Shark Bay. Be aware, when you arrive, you have to pay a separate fee for the parks and wildlife of Monkey Mia. These visitor fees apply to anyone visiting Monkey Mia, including people that are staying here at the resort. It covers the cost for the dolphin experiences in the morning, and if you have a parks pass, it does not apply. You still have to pay a separate fee. We're at the morning dolphin feeding. I think with everybody else that's at the park this morning, it's very busy. They have these massive camp kitchens with everything that you could want. You've got ovens, microwaves, heaps of barbecues, seating area, and then at this end they also have a bit of like a study area. So you've got closed rooms where you can use for meetings and studies, chairs, couches, and then you've got your toilets and laundry as well. It's a very large camp. There's all powered, unpowered sites, and you're sitting right across from the beach. Just check out these camp kitchens. I think these are the best we've ever seen. These are amazing, got everything you need. Fridges, oven, microwave, cleaning up area, cooking areas. It's huge. We are just sitting back this afternoon having a nice beach day, reading a book, and there's still plenty of people out and about at the beach. Got the kayaks out and the stand-up paddle boards and fishing. There's so much to do and it's pretty fun down here. We've stopped into Denham today, and on our way we have looked at Little Lagoon. Not really big for swimming, as there is a massive sign that has a stonefish warning. So just having a nice little look today. Oh. We're out for a walk this morning doing some exploring. You can walk all the way around. There's a couple of bays and people are down fishing where the red dirt meets the blue ocean. It's pretty cool. We're up early this morning and we're going to do the long loop walking trail. So it starts at the resort down here and you follow it all the way up across the red dunes, back around, and we come back down the beach. It says class 3, 2.45 k's and allow 1.5 hours. So got the dog, let's see how we go. We're pretty much walking on top of the dunes now. It's a big all red dirt track now, pretty soft and sandy. It's a little bit difficult to walk through. And we made it back down to the beach, so that wasn't so bad. It's pretty good. We finished the walk in about 30 to 45 minutes, so we smashed that one out. But it was so nice. You go from a change of red sand back down to the white sand on the beach. As we're coming back to the resort, the morning dolphin feeding is on again, and it's still packed. It gets very busy. It's our last day in Monkey Mia today and we're heading on. The question of, is it actually worth staying here at the resort? I think it definitely 100% is worth staying. We even extended our stay by a couple of nights, and we've had other people next to us that have only booked one night and they've booked an extra couple nights. The value, yes, it's a little bit more expensive than a regular caravan park or, for a resort, but we absolutely loved it here. You see dolphins every time of the day. We've seen turtles, there's emus hanging around. We really enjoyed the entire week, and I think we would definitely come back to this spot. And thank you for watching this week's episode, and if you've enjoyed, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye!